Here you guys can see the spike signal just appeared, and we are going to open a trade on this spike signal, waiting for market to give us spike. And here below you guys can see the previous arrow we made good profit, and this one we are holding. Keep watching this video till end. Also we shown our accounts, our profit, withdrawal, our user history, a lot of things in this video. So keep watching guys. Here we are waiting for spike. One signal is already in multiple spike profit. Now we are holding this one to have more profit. Yeah, my boys. And also let's take more risk. As already you see, we are on 10 lot. Let me add one more signal, one more trade on this signal, and let's make more profit. See here guys, I just opened the trade and market went bullish. This is the system actually accuracy. You see live? Yeah, my boys. This is how actually we earn for market profit daily basis using this system. So that's the power I want to show you guys. If you guys want to have this system, check the description, chat with us on Telegram. We are here to help you. And please keep watching this video and see there's a lot of results we want to show you based on this spike system, how we make profit, how consistent this system. Keep watching guys, see these results, how we are making good profit. Keep watching these results from our spike killer system. Today we are going to show you the live results of our spike killer system. At the end also we show you the live spike killer system trade, how actually the system works and how we make profit. Keep watching guys, how our clients, how our students, and how we are making profit. Also we are going to show you the live accounts. In this account, our withdrawal, our trading history, as you guys looking front on your screen. These are results from our spike killer system. Now let's move on Deriv official website and let's have a look in our account. Here is our account. We grown this account from a little deposit to 21,000. It is almost okay guys. Here you see, let me refresh. Here you guys can see again. Let's move on withdrawal. Here you guys can see these payment agent withdrawals. These all withdrawals came right through the boom and crash trading on Deriv official website. Here you guys can see these all results from our spike killer system. This is very unique system. Here you guys can see our payout from Deriv official website. Yeah my guys, this is profitable system. Keep watching. In this video I'm going to show you the spike killer system live trade and how it works. Let's move on.